In this video, I'm gonna be revealing my top 3 Shopify themes that you need to be using inside your Shopify store to explode your sales. And I mean it. These are the exact themes that I'm using right now inside my e-commerce businesses that generate over $1 million every single year in sales. Now, the coolest part about this is I'm gonna show you 2 free themes and I'm gonna show you 1 paid theme. And at the end of this video, you're gonna find out what theme is going to be right for you. With thousands of themes on the Shopify theme store, it gets confusing, especially for someone who's just looking to get started or to increase their conversion rate on their Shopify store. And overall, make sure that their store looks good, high converting, and ready to convert the traffic into actually paying customers. So with that, let's jump into this presentation and go through my top 3 picks. Okay, let's start things off with my favorite free theme, the Sense theme. Now, this is perfect for one product stores and for people that are just getting started. Now, I even created a Shopify store using the Sense theme. And in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how it came out. I'll show you the different features and how clean it actually looks. Now, a few really cool things about this theme is number 1, how professional it looks. Now, after I show you that story I created, you'll see exactly what I mean. But this is really good for just a clean, professional design. And it looks like a design of a real brand. Now, the simple layout that it has really focuses on the product. And I really love that because at the end of the day, if sometimes you have too many things going on your website, then it kind of takes away from what the product actually does and people just get distracted and end up going off your website. So I really like the Sense theme. It's free. It's on the Shopify theme store and it's just a great way of someone getting into Shopify to set up a store super quickly, but at the same time, make it look super branded and high converting. Now coming into the store that I use the Sense theme on, as you can see, this is a quick store that I set up in about an hour or so. You can see it has a really nice look to it. It looks super branded. I was actually selling these soothing anxiety beads, rings that, as you can see on the GIFs over here, actually goes ahead and helps people that have anxiety or bite their skin or their nails. Instead, they'll just be using the ring to combat that. And as you can see with the Sense theme, it has these little sections that you can add images or even these GIFs, and really gets people to understand the product. And I like GIFs over images. As you can see, like the difference between this and this, people actually understand what it does. So with the Sense theme, you have these sections that you can put in there. I also love that on the actual product page, it gives you the opportunity to put in these benefits, line by line, which is super clean, and also gives you that little section at the top to explain what the product actually does without getting it too complicated. Okay. I also like what I put over here. This is actually a special code that I put in there to show that we have a ton of reviews for this particular product. Okay. Over here in the header, it actually has a place where you can customize what it says. I put 50% off sale today plus free shipping, and it looks like a really good deal. So it gets people to, quickly just go ahead and buy right now instead of clicking off the website and then hopefully coming back, which usually they never do. And as you can see how clean the Sense theme looks, it's just a theme that makes your store look branded at the same time, not overwhelming the customer. Now, something I always make sure to do is I make sure to look at my store on mobile. So I'm going to right click here and then I'm going to press inspect. And then this is how it looks like on mobile. Mobile traffic is going to be about 80% of your traffic. So it's so important to make sure your store actually looks good on your phone. Okay. And this is how you're going to see how it looks like. Okay. So this is how the Sense theme looks on mobile and it looks super clean. And I really like it. Okay. So definitely give this theme a shot. Now, a few features that I really like about the Sense theme. Number 1, it's easily customizable. Okay. I really like, the header is able to be customized. It looks clean. It's the first thing that customers see, and use it to your advantage, like putting coupon codes in there or telling people why they should buy from your store or what type of sale there is. Okay. The homepage is super clean as well, especially if you have, a few products you want to add to your store to complement your main product. So say, for example, you are selling these, shark slides, which made close to $1 million in sales with them. If you're selling those, right, you can sell other type of shark slides, maybe cow slippers, or you know what I mean, right? You can add a few more products on your homepage to get people to buy more from your store. I really like adding some collection pages. Again, you can do like, let's say, for example, in the shark slide situation, I can add different animals, or, you know, maybe I could do winter slides. So I can do different collection pages to allow people to, you know, go ahead and shop around on my store to buy more than one product. Okay. Now, also something that the Sense theme has is a little bit of a drop down menu on the product pages, which you can use for, let's say, ingredients or how to use the product or frequently asked questions. I really like how the Sense theme has this drop down, which most themes do not have this. Now, theme number 2 is excellent for clothing brands, jewelry brands, any brands or dropshipping stores that have a lot of products. And I actually used this exact theme to generate over $250,000 with a clothing brand that I ran. Now, the Impulse theme is a paid theme. However, there is a free trial that you can try out the Impulse theme. And I like it a lot, especially for those stores with a ton of products. Okay. Now, there's 3 different designs Impulse theme has. There's modern, clean, and bold. If you actually go to their website, you'll see the 3 different styles. And like I said, you're going to want to use this theme if you have a lot of products on your store. This is also good for furniture or home products, right? Something that has a lot of product. And I'm talking at least 20 products or more. And on the clothing store, I think we had over 150 products on our store, which is absolutely insane. Now, as you can see, the reason why I like it for, you know, clothing stores or jewelry stores or stores that have a lot of product on it is because it has very organized collection pages. And if you have a good collection page, it will just be super easy to look at all the products the store has available, and people will buy a lot of product from the store. I remember when I was running the clothing brand, we were getting people to buy sometimes 3 to 5 items at a time. And that really allowed us to get insane profit from our sales. You can also add images above these sub collections, which is great, right? So for example, here you can see dresses. So they added a picture of a woman in dress. And as you can see, they did that for accessories and tops and whatnot, right? You can also do banners, which is super nice for sales, and clothing as well. This works really well for. Now I'm going to show you my top theme overall. And this is a theme I'm currently running right now. I recently took a brand new Shopify dropshipping store from zero to over $70,000 in sales using this exact theme. And I'm even posting those videos now on YouTube as a case study. So make sure you watch those later, as I will be showing you everything behind the scenes on how we went from 0 to 70,000 in sales. And the theme that I'm talking about is the Shrine theme. Now, Shrine theme is a paid theme. However, the customizations that the Shrine theme has makes any product look so good that when people come onto it, they're kind of like, is this even dropshipping? Is this a crazy good looking brand? Now, the Shrine theme makes any product look like a real brand. And I'm going to show you some examples here. And I'm going to show you the store that I built with the Shrine theme. You're going to be shocked because the amount of customization that the Shrine theme allows you to do is incredible. I'm going to show you all the features that it allows you to actually accomplish by using the Shrine theme. And if you are trying to really take your Shopify store to the next level, definitely recommend that you look into the Shrine theme. And I told them I'm going to be featuring you in a video. Okay. This was not even planned because I was literally putting them in the video regardless. And I said, hey, can you supply me a link for my audience to get some sort of, discount or something like that? And they said, sure. They gave me an affiliate link. I'm going to leave that link in the description. So let me show you the Shrine theme so you see what it's about and you can make the decision for yourself if you want to use it. Okay. As you can see, this is an example of a product that most people will call saturated in the dropshipping space, and they made it look really nice. Okay. This is the homepage of the store. It's called Reno Health. And the thing about Shrine theme is that it makes your store look so good, but it's also easy to use. A lot of these themes that look really nice, it's a nightmare when it comes to actually setting it up. So Shrine makes it really simple. Now, it's focused on optimizing the overall shopping experience, and it really has high conversion rates every single time you use Shrine theme. Shrine theme is also ideal for multi-product and for one-product stores, but for the most part, I usually use Shrine theme for my one-product stores. Now, let me show you why Shrine theme is my favorite, and it's because of the customizations and the little features that it offers. Okay. So first of all, something that they have is they have bundle deals. So it allows you to literally with a click of a button, add 2 products at once. Okay. the most important thing that I really like is that it has bundle deals. So many times, you'll see stores that offer like a deal. If let's say you buy one, you'll get it at a regular price. Buy two, you'll get maybe 10% off or 15% off. You can enable that option in the Shrine product page, and it really gives you a boost in terms of how much customers actually spend on your website. So instead of them buying one product, they'll buy 2, 3, or even 4 because they know they're going to save money for buying more product. They have comparison tables that you can set up and compare your product to other people's products. It really gets people to understand why you're charging a little more than everyone else. I don't like to be the cheapest in the game. I like to sell my products for at least 3 to 5x for whatever I get it for. And, because your product page looks super nice with Shrine, it really allows you to sell it for a premium. Something that they have that I really like is the before and after slider, as you can see. So it's really good for any beauty products or any products that really solve a problem for the customer and shows them a before and after experience. Also, another amazing benefit Shrine has is that it has a cart progress bar, which gets people to spend more money to unlock free shipping for say. And once they hit that actual number, say you can choose a number. So let's say it's $50 or $100 in their cart, they get free shipping. Then it will say, congrats, you got free shipping, and it kind of makes them feel good. So overall, 10 out of 10 in terms of mobile responsiveness, really nice looking design, really looks like a brand. Even though you might be drop shipping or may not be the best designer out there, Shrine makes you look like a pro. Now, this is literally a theme that I used using these Shrine themes. You can see we went ahead and built this out super quickly, and it looks like a real brand. It shows off the product so nicely that if you would look at it right from the first glance, it kind of doesn't really look anything special, right? It's just like these privacy films. But when you scroll down and you see all the little icons of explaining the benefits of the product and you show the results using your product, it just makes your product look super awesome. Okay. And because of the bundles on this store, we're getting a crazy average order value that we would never be able to get with any other theme. So definitely take a look at the Shrine theme. Again, the link will be in the description. Those are my top 3 themes to use right now. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.